Welcome creatives, Michelle here. I have two quick and easy budget-friendly Valentine's Day gifts made using Dollar Tree materials. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make them. To get started, you're going to need a box. I picked this one up from Dollar Tree. This is one of their Valentine's Day gift boxes. This is the largest one. It's about 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. You're also going to need a utility knife or something sharp. You want to go in and cut right at the corners. You'll have to go over it a couple times. You want a nice clean cut. So you want to open each corner just like that. I have my box ready. Now we're going to load it. To load it, you're going to need some double-sided sticky tape. You can pick this up in the Crafter Square section. And this is what it looks like. Just lay down your double-sided sticky tape where you want to put your candy or whatever it is you want to attach to the inside of your box. The explosion box can also be filled with cosmetics, nail care items, or fishing items for a man. Then I have a package of candy. You have all different kinds to choose from Dollar Tree. One package will fill one side of your box. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. You need to leave a little bit of space on either side, a little bit at the top and a little bit at the bottom so everything comes together. I have all my candy attached. I have one package per side. Now here in the center, I'm going to include a little gift, some jewelry. So you can put in a small gift, you can put in a gift card, whatever you would like in the center. And add a little bit more candy with some Valentine's Day kisses. Top that off with a little bit of some paper shreds. And to make it all sparkle, a little bit of confetti. I picked this up at Dollar Tree. This one has two different kinds. It has the sparkly hearts, and then it has these, and each of these have little sayings on them that say love. I'm going to add a little bit of this on the top. Then we just lift up the sides. And they should all come together, and then put the lid back on. What a great way to give a small gift at Valentine's Day. They get their sweet treats and their gift. Add a little bow and you are set. What an adorable little gift. For our next DIY Valentine's Day gift, you're going to need some floral foam and one of their heart-shaped tins. You want to choose one that you really like the sides as well as the top. Now Dollar Tree carries their round circular floral foams. You get 2 in a pack. That will work. I looked for that. I didn't have any. So I pulled this out. I want to cut a piece that's going to go on the inside so I can attach some florals. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. now I'm adding some roses. I found these really beautiful roses at Dollar Tree in their floral garden. It's just called Rose Buds. I thought they were so pretty with the pink and white. So I'm just pulling them off. And then I'm using a small wooden dowel to help me poke a hole into the floral foam. And then I'm just sticking that nub in there. I'm going to work my way around the outside and then fill in the center. It took 3 stems of those beautiful roses to fill the tin heart. I have my edge done. I'm going to fill in the inside, and as I do that, I'm also going to be adding this package of Valentine's Day Hershey Kisses, so they get a little sweet treat with this as well. Just going to take them and put them down inside. What a sweet little surprise. I have all of my roses in, and I have all the Hershey Kisses hidden underneath. But look at how pretty that looks from the side. I absolutely love the red, white, and pink stripes. It goes perfectly with the roses. Now, of course, I don't want to take the lid and put it on top, so I'm actually just going to stick it in here at the top. Just like that. So it says, "Be mine." I think that's really adorable. And then to go along with that, pick up one of the cute little plushies that they have at Dollar Tree. This little guy is new this year. And there you go. A quick, easy, and budget-friendly Valentine's Day gift. And there you go, 2 quick and easy, budget-friendly Valentine's Day gifts that you can put together using Dollar Tree materials. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to see you. If you're looking for more Valentine's Day inspiration, you can check out my playlist by clicking here. Take care of yourself, my friend, and I'll see you in the next video.